Once upon a time, a young woman named Elena dreamed of speaking English fluently. She wanted to travel, meet new people, and confidently communicate in English. However, she was nervous about speaking and often went blank during conversations. One day, she decided to improve no matter what. Since she didn't live in an English-speaking country, Elena started practicing by talking to herself. She'd say things like, "I need to make lunch," or have mock conversations with her reflection. Slowly, she gained confidence. Elena also found language exchange partners online, practicing with them daily. She reflected on each conversation, learning new words and studying them later. To improve further, she started watching English movies, listening to songs, and reading books. Eventually, she began to understand jokes and casual phrases, making her sound more natural. Although she was nervous at first, especially during phone calls or doctor visits, she prepared in advance by writing key phrases. Over time, her confidence grew, and she became comfortable in real-life conversations. Recording herself speaking helped her notice improvements, and she even made learning fun by singing songs and trying tongue twisters. Elena learned that setting goals was crucial to her progress. Focusing on tasks like ordering food or asking for directions helped her stay motivated. Even when she felt frustrated or made mistakes, she reminded herself that learning a language is a journey. Today, Elena speaks English with confidence, travels, and makes new friends. Her journey wasn't easy, but it was worth it. Like Elena, you can achieve fluency by practicing, having fun, and never giving up.